How to choose a good friend. Story text for listening and reading practice. Joy had many friends. They laughed, played, and spent time together. But one day, when he was in trouble, most of them disappeared. Only one friend, Hassan, stayed by his side. He listened, helped, and supported Joy without asking for anything in return. That's when Joy realized a good friend is not someone who is only there during fun times. A good friend stands beside you during hard times. So, how can you choose a good friend? A good friend respects you, listens to you, helps you grow, doesn't gossip about you, accepts your faults but corrects you with kindness. Joy started watching people more carefully. He didn't choose friends just because they were popular or funny. He chose friends who were honest, kind, and trustworthy. Now Joy may have fewer friends, but they are real. He says, one true friend is better than 10 fake ones. So, when you choose a friend, look at their heart, not just their smile. Because a real friend is a gift, choose wisely.